In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write on PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. If you need to quickly add handwritten notes, markings, or simple annotations to a PDF, Adobe Acrobat makes the process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open your file, access the drawing tool, and begin writing directly on the document. I'll also point out how to change the color of your pen so your notes are easier to organize and read. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to work on is already open on your screen. This is important because all of the drawing and writing tools will apply directly to the document you currently have selected. Before moving on, it's a good idea to take a quick look at the page where you want to add your notes so you know exactly where you'll be writing. Once your PDF is open, look over to the left-hand side of the Acrobat window where you'll see a column of icons. In that menu, click on the draw icon. This tool allows you to write or sketch directly onto the PDF using your mouse, trackpad, or stylus, depending on the device you're using. If you're using a stylus or touchscreen, your writing may feel more natural, but the tool works with standard input devices as well. After selecting the draw tool, click anywhere on the PDF page and start drawing or writing. As soon as you click on the document, Acrobat will let you place your marks directly on the page. You can use this for underlining, circling important information, adding quick handwritten comments, or marking areas that need attention. Try to write slowly and deliberately if you want cleaner results, especially when using a mouse or trackpad. If you want to change the color of your writing, look again to the left-hand menu and click the circular color palette. From there, choose the color you want to use and then continue drawing on the PDF. Changing colors can be especially helpful if you want to separate different kinds of notes, highlight corrections, or make certain annotations stand out more clearly. And that's all it takes to write on a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Open your file, select the draw tool, click on the page, and begin writing. If needed, switch colors using the palette on the left to make your annotations more organized. Once you're done, make sure to save your PDF so your changes are preserved.